Hello. Hello, little ones. Okay. Who's hungry? Hello, Dorothy. Hey, sugar. Come on. Come on, I have a treat for you. Yes, I do. Hey, would you like your treat? Hey, darling, I'll throw it to you. Hey, Socks. Come say hello to everyone. Come up here and say hello. There you go. Oh, you see something out there, huh? Hey, guys. Hey, Greybar. Okay, I may not have many visitors tonight because these raccoons have been coming to visit all day long today. I think it's the mamas, and while the babies are sleeping and still, I think they're coming out in the daytime a lot more than usual. I always have a couple that come visit me during the day, but today it was like 10 of them. Here, sugar, you can have that. Come here. There you go. Oh, here, darling, right here. There you go. You found it? Okay. Okay, I have grapes too. Well, I don't think we're going to have many visitors tonight. There you go, darling. Oh, you like those grapes, huh? They like their grape Socks. What do you think? What do you think about everything? Oh, yes. Yes. There we go. Hey, sugar, you can have that. Oh, he wanted that. Yes, ma'am. Here you go. There's one for you. That was a little shy. It's okay, dog. It's okay. Okay. Do y'all hear the crickets and everything serenading us tonight? Here you go. Oh, you're so wonderful. Yes, you are. Come get some of these grapes. They're good for you. Yes, they're good for you. Also, I have to fill up their water bowl again tonight. They have both bowls I filled up earlier today, and now both bowls are empty. Yes, they are. Oh, you enjoy those grapes. Would you like another one with marshmallow? You said, no, ma'am, I'm going to have my grapes. That's good. That's good. There's some for you, too. There's some for you, too, darling. Well, I hope that y'all will be able to see some of the little ones soon because they're starting to come out, too. I had a couple under the porch today, but I didn't get a video of them. Here's more grapes. Socks? Are you looking for some more visitors? Are you? Well, I want to thank you guys. I want to say hello to Carter and Jackson and my other friends, Vera, Jeff, Shelly, and Sean, and Heather. I love the card, Heather, and the little raccoons are so cute. All righty. So good night, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow. Do something good for somebody, okay? Bye now. Well, hello, Greybar. How are you? How is Greybar today?